What if one company could change the way the world drives for over a century? From a single hand-built car in 1936, to AI-powered, self-driving electric machines of the future, this is Toyota. A brand that survived wars, oil crises, economic crashes, and still became the world's most trusted carmaker. In the next 7 minutes, you'll witness Toyota's complete evolution, past, present, and future, from 1936 to 2046. This isn't just car history. This is the story of motion, innovation, and global dominance. 1936–1945, the birth of Toyota. Toyota's journey began in 1936 with the Toyota AA, a luxury sedan inspired by American designs. Back then, Japan was still learning automotive engineering, and Toyota was a small division of a textile company. In 1937, Toyota Motor Corporation was officially founded. These early vehicles were simple, hand-built, and designed for durability rather than comfort. World War II slowed progress, forcing Toyota to focus on military vehicles. But this difficult era laid the foundation for Toyota's legendary engineering discipline. 1946–1959, rebuilding a nation. After the war, Japan was rebuilding, and so was Toyota. In 1947, Toyota introduced the SAW, a compact, fuel-efficient car built for ordinary people. Then came a game-changer in 1951, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Rugged, unstoppable, and reliable, it quickly became a global icon. By the late 1950s, Toyota entered international markets, including the United States, proving Japanese cars could be affordable and dependable. 1960–1979, global expansion era. The 1960s marked Toyota's rise to worldwide recognition. In 1966, the Toyota Corolla was born, a car that would become the best-selling vehicle in history. During the oil crisis of the 1970s, Toyota's fuel-efficient cars dominated while larger American cars struggled. Toyota's reputation became clear, reliable, affordable, fuel-efficient. By the end of the 1970s, Toyota was no longer just a Japanese brand, it was global. 1980–1994, quality and luxury revolution. The 1980s introduced the world to Toyota's famous Kaizen philosophy, continuous improvement. In 1989, Toyota shocked the luxury market by launching Lexus. The Lexus LS 400 offered German-level luxury with unmatched reliability, at a lower price. This era also brought advanced safety features, smoother engines, and higher build quality. Toyota wasn't just making cars anymore. Toyota was setting industry standards. 1995–2009, hybrid power and SUV boom. In 1997, Toyota changed automotive history with the Toyota Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. At a time when others ignored fuel efficiency, Toyota looked ahead. SUVs like the RAV4, Highlander, and Land Cruiser Prado gained massive popularity worldwide. Toyota became known as the brand that thought 10 years ahead, not just about speed, but sustainability. 2010–2019, technology and design evolution. The 2010s transformed Toyota's image. Cars became sharper, sportier, more tech-focused. Toyota introduced TNGA platforms, improving handling and safety across all models. Advanced features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, touchscreen infotainment became standard. Toyota also expanded hybrid technology across nearly its entire lineup. 2020–2025, electrification era. As the world shifted toward electric vehicles, Toyota took a multi-path strategy. Instead of only EVs, Toyota invested in hybrids, plug-in hybrids, hydrogen fuel cells, full electric vehicles. Models like the BZ4X, Mirai, and next-gen hybrids defined this era. Toyota focused on real-world reliability, not just headlines. 2030–2046, the future of Toyota. By 2030, Toyota aims for carbon neutrality. Looking toward 2046, Toyota vehicles are expected to feature fully autonomous driving, solid-state batteries, AI-powered navigation, smart interiors that adapt to drivers. Zero-emission technology. Cars will no longer just move people, they'll think, connect, and protect. Toyota's future is not just about cars, it's about mobility for humanity. Emotional and strong. From the humble Toyota AW to intelligent machines of tomorrow, Toyota's journey is proof that consistency beats hype. For over 110 years, Toyota didn't chase trends, it created them. And as the road stretches toward 2046 and beyond, one thing is certain. Toyota will still be leading the way.